Ladies and gentlemen, it is a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. Right now I'm in a 2016 Newell Coach. That is a very unique coach. And let me introduce you to Pat.
Hi, I'm Pat Dweyer. I run the sales department here at Newell.
This is a very unique coach, unlike anything I've ever seen. What's going on in this coach?
We built this for a specific customer. They wanted this particular floor plan. It's a center island bed. The bed is in the center, and so you can walk all the way around the bed on this coach.
Yeah, let's cruise back here. We'll come back here and walk you through all of this. I want to go right back to what's going on back here because this is unlike anything I've ever seen. Now, there is a half bathroom here that I want to point out. That's a good size half bathroom with the dual access doors, so you can
close this pocket door.
Yeah. Boom. So when you close that pocket door, you're fully mirrored too. I like that. Very, very nice design how that's kind of sectioned off. And let me just peek in there real quick. And I've got to point out, look, you've got marble, or is that marble? It looks like marble, whatever it is, on the, all the way up the walls, and then different surfaces up the walls all the way to the ceiling. Notice how there's no gaps. Everything's completely finished. That looks like a leather type material. And then it even has this aesthetic piece that covers that vent fan. And you have a window in your head area too here, and everything is just fully finished out with a bowl sink. And wow, what an incredible little half bathroom there.
Sub-zero refrigerator.
Yeah, so, and the thing I like about this Sub-Zero refrigerator is it's the same veneer as the rest of the woodwork. So it just looks like it could be normal cabinets, but it's actually that refrigerator with the freezer doors on bottom there. So, all right, I know you all have been waiting patiently. We're gonna show you that in just a moment, but check this out. So this is a totally different feel with the two aisleways on the side of the bed, and almost like an island bed here. Really gives it a neat, totally different feel, unlike anything I've ever seen in any motorhome. Pat's the expert here, but I'm just so excited. I'm just pointing all this stuff here. Pat, please let me know if I'm missing anything, and feel free to point anything out here. But yeah, what's all this back here?
Once you're in bed, we got a...
No way! And there's even a decor piece on top of the televator now. Is that set up so that decor piece stays on there all the time?
Yeah, it will.
Nice. This is like so like it's like a spaceship in here. I don't even know, like, seriously guys, like look at this. It's like an island. Like, this is what I would imagine a spaceship to look like, and it even comes pretty high there. So now, is this a queen bed or a king bed?
It's almost a full king.
Okay, yeah, it's just, I've never seen anything where there's these, this is just such a different, unique floor plan. I like the towel bar back here. And then there's just all kinds of storage here. We're gonna show you the rear bath here in a moment, but tons of wardrobe space. And notice how every square inch is finished out from floor to ceiling.
We've got storage underneath the bed here also.
Oh, really? It's a store. Oh, look at that. So you just press a button there, and a lot of storage under there, actually. That's a lot of space under the bed there, and all you got to do is press a button. Look at this. This looks like such, I'm not going to touch it, and my hands are clean, but I'm still not going to touch it because that looks like just that looks like something you'd see in like a castle or something, just super royal. So what a cool floor plan with the rear bathroom here, with the slightly elevated step here. You have a second sink here in the back with this huge bowl. Really large shower. Now, is this a steam shower? I know some Newell owners have had steam showers.
This particular one isn't, but you can add any of these showers with steam.
Okay, very cool. And then so I like all the mirrors across the back of the coach. Now what's hiding behind those mirrors?
You've got
cedar.
Cedar closet. shoe racks.
Oh yeah, look at that. So, and I really like that. It would have been very easy for them to just have it be one closet all the way across the back, but it's actually split. So you can have a his and hers, and then there's all kinds of cubbies in there as well. And this is totally finished out like you would see in a multi-million-dollar home.
Drawers here.
Nice. This is just an incredible design. So, well, we hopped right in here. I wanted to see this because this is so new, but let's go see what's going on out here. And I'm assuming washer and dryer right there that we passed.
Yeah, right here.
Stackable washer and dryer.
Lots of storage here in the kitchen. Top and bottom.
Yeah, and I'll point out, it looks like a Fisher Paykel dishwasher.
Right. Fisher Paykel dishwasher, and they got locked.
And I'll point out this huge digital screen, as well as all of your illuminated switches there. Everything is very simple and well organized, very easy to get to. Now, what's some of the stuff you can do on this touch screen here?
Well, everything here, this is the main screen. So this is more of a visual. This gives you current temperatures. So we've got 4 air conditioners, 4 separate places in the coach. So you can adjust if you wanted the bedroom really cold and up front, not so cold.
Yeah.
You can adjust it here.
Zones.
So the different zones. On this one, you can show all, and you can control individually, go down into each section. So we can adjust the air conditioner.
Oh, very cool. So you can adjust all of your temperatures very easily, all with this digital control.
And then your slide out controls. Fans, you can turn the fans on, the ones that you were showing in the half bath.
Yeah.
So
wow, you can really control everything, or a lot of stuff right here from this.
And then you even have different cameras. We put one at the door so you can see if somebody's opening the door or knocking at your door or using the doorbell. We've got a driver's side, passenger side mirrors, cameras on the mirrors so you don't have a blind spot. We have our fuel doors in the very back of the coach by the drive axle. We put cameras on both sides of the fuel door. You can fuel on both sides. When you pull up to the pump, you can see exactly where the pump is.
Now, and you can have that they have a mirror of that screen up in the driver's area, I'm assuming?
Correct.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, and I just cannot get over all of the design that Newell coach does. I learned recently too that the exterior of this coach has a Porsche design, so that's something really interesting. But inside and out, Newell coach definitely nails it with their design. This is a cool floor plan in that you have a nice recliner area over here, but you also have a desk with this little chair, so a total workspace over here. And man, they've got all kinds of cool. Now, does this decor come with the bus?
Yes.
Nice.
It can, or if you don't like it,
yeah,
we'll take it out.
Or you could put pictures of your family or your dog or whatever in there.
Right.
Yeah, beautiful coach. And I really like, this is something Newell has been doing for a long time. It's just such a great, it just slides right over, so you can put it right in between you while you're down the road. And then if you just want to move it, it's just really easy to move. Just a really simple, convenient feature. And then you've got storage in there, or how does that work?
Yeah, so we have storage here, and there's a little door storage down here.
Oh yeah, multiple storage compartments. And then does that that's a really good looking ottoman there behind you. Does that ottoman open for storage as well?
It does. Now I've got a piece here, so you can use it like a table.
Oh yeah.
Or you can take it off. If you don't have a decoration on it, you can just flip it over.
Oh, okay. Put some extra pillows in there. And even the ottoman has this super overbuilt hinge, completely lined in carpet. You can tell Newell does everything first class. I'm so impressed with the Newell cockpit area. I love this carbon fiber finish here. And a wood grain steering wheel and a huge digital dash there. Is there a way, can we
It'll take just a few seconds to come up.
Yeah. JBL, are those JBL speakers or speakers in the ceiling here? This has a completely digital dash here. This is a 2016, and on the brand new Newell coaches, they just did an update on those, and they did a whole video about that with Brian on the Newell Coach YouTube channel. So I'll leave a link to that video in the description below, and then a link to Newell Coach's YouTube channel in the description below as well. Definitely worth subscribing to their channel and checking them out, because they're always coming out with new stuff. And I don't make it out here to Oklahoma. This is my first time making it out to Oklahoma. I wish I could be here more often because there's so much cool stuff going on, but definitely worth checking out their channel just so you don't miss all the cool stuff they've got. So what's some of the stuff about the cockpit area here in this coach?
Oh, just you have a power steering column.
And check this out, even the N for Newell on the pedals. And look at how high-end of a finish those pedals are as well. Pat, I cannot thank you enough for showing me and the folks on YouTube this absolutely stunning, rare floor plan Newell coach. If someone's a serious buyer, how can they get a hold of you?
Well, you can go to newellcoach.com and you can send us an email from that website, or you can call our telephone number. It's toll-free, 888-363-9355.
Hey, can't thank you enough. Can't thank you all on YouTube enough for watching these videos, subscribing to the channel. Make sure you go check out Newell Coach's channel. Can't say enough good things about the folks here in Miami, Oklahoma. Did I say it right?
Yes, thank you for coming.
I greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate all of you, and I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.